Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The Queen of Stage is also a budding philanthropist. Grace Hamilton, more popularly known as dancehall artiste Spice, has made it her mission to empower women who are affected by financial constraints. Whilst speaking at her birthday party on Monday, the Cool It DJ outlined that her philanthropic efforts will continue this year as she will assist with back-to-school expenses.
You know what? After this birthday party, I'm sending back 100 kids to school with whatever I make from this. So, you know, Spice is going to do this birthday party, and then Grace Hamilton is going to do the Grace Hamilton Women Empowerment Foundation. So that's how the two come together. So immediately after this, we jump into back to school giveaways for the kids. So I'm sending back 100 kids to school.
She also gave an update on her musical moves, noting that a new EP is in the works.
Musically, I'm working on something. I have an EP coming out in October, so you can look out for that. Last year I did Captured Mixtape and it was extremely well. You know, it hit the Billboard charts #1 twice. So I'm back at it again in October. I can't figure out the name, but by next 2 weeks you'll get the name.
Spice expressed she is still on a high after receiving a commendation from Prime Minister Andrew Holness.
I'm elated because at the end of the day, that's the Prime Minister, that's the man that's leading the whole nation, running the country. So for him to take time out to acknowledge what I'm doing for the culture itself, for the genre, it's an amazing feeling because that's what we work towards, to bring the culture to some local critics and corner to somewhere. And so for the Prime Minister to acknowledge my hard work, it's a great feeling. So I felt good.
The launch of her Grace Hamilton Women Empowerment Foundation last year saw the Queen of Stage donating funds to her foundation's first recipient, Abigail French, a young lady who was accepted to the University of Technology but was unable to attend due to financial constraints and lack of family support. Samori I breaking new ground in Europe. Roots reggae singer Samori I is continuing to build his name in Europe, recently completing his third straight tour of that continent. This recent tour saw the singer performing for the first time in Italy and Poland, with the Rustler Gangster singer also making his debut appearance at Summer Jam in Cologne, Germany, the biggest reggae festival in the world, which was headlined by Grammy-winning reggae dancehall star Buju Banton. Samori I also performed at the Astroda Reggae Festival in Poland, which also featured Queen Ifrica, and at the Couleur Cafe in Brussels, Belgium, where Sean Paul was one of the main acts. Like his previous visits, his live set was dominated by songs from the Black Gold album released back in 2017.
Them search and find no reason. No, them asking where they gone their rasta. But I don't know what you're talking about, so beg your pardon, fuck up officer. No, I am a soldier for Jah.
In all, Samori I has performed at 12 shows in 10 countries. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.